Astra versus Corsa. Look at it like that. Hey guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. You join me today with an N55 M135i on the channel today. This car has had a whole load of stuff done to it and it's running some serious power. It's actually running an E-blend today, so it's running on race fuel essentially. It's running 600 brake horsepower. It is threatening to rain, so fingers crossed it doesn't get too wet on the roads because this is going to be ridiculous. We also have our 600Rs on the back. It is currently the UK's fastest stock block N55 135i, although we will catch up with Anne, the owner. We'll get him on camera as usual, have a walk around it because there's plenty of other things which he's done to it, and then we'll hop out, hopefully, fingers crossed, on some dry roads and experience this 600 brake M135i. Okay, so we're joined now with Anne, the owner. Mate, thank you so much for bringing this absolute beast down to get on the channel today. Car you haven't had for that long, really, is it?
Yeah, no, I've had it since August, so I literally went stage one straight away. So.
Like literally on the drive home?
Yeah, yeah,
Love it.
away.
Is it a car you've kind of done the stages in, or you went straight from 1 to 3?
Yeah, I've done it the expensive way. I've gone through stage 1, stage 2, and now stage 3. So
yeah, oh, fair play, and that's obviously what we're running today. So if it's all right, we'll dive straight in under the bonnet, and yeah, for you to give us a bit of a walkthrough, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, sound. So obviously I've got MST performance intake, and then it's running pure stage 2 with pure turbos inlet pipe. It's got a VRSF charge pipe, aluminium as well. It's got M5 injectors as well. It's got a R-Sport high flow down pipe, an R-Sport intercooler, but that's one of the things I need to upgrade pretty quick because it's too small for the job.
Okay.
I had it when I was stage 2, but it's just like one of those things, it's not up to scratch for the performance of the vehicle. So.
Well, it's running some serious power, like I said, 600 brake, which is what, capped at 600 as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's capped, so yeah, it's running 600 capped with ethanol. So.
Yeah, so you're running about, is it like an E30 mix, do you think? E40,
yeah, so E30 at the moment, but it can go all the way up to like
nice.
Race fuel, do you know what I mean? So,
wow. That's fair play. So you've got the flex fuel.
Yeah, I've got the BM3 flex fuel sensor as well.
Nice, nice. Stock internals as well? Yeah,
stock internals. It's one of the things on the list, but I kind of want to focus on sort of handling upgrades. But the main sort of point of this car is just for going up the strip. It's not like on my top list of priorities, but it's something I need to do, like just brakes, for example. I need to upgrade discs and that, so maybe get like an AP Racing big brake kit or something like that.
That'd be cool. So, yeah, that'd be really cool. Fair play. And you're not running meth either?
No, no, I'm not running meth.
Which is like, you've done well to get something beginning with 6
so obviously
without meth.
It's been winter, obviously, so like temps have been down, but when it gets to summer, it's another thing with the intercooler as well, because M55 suffer quite badly from heat soak. So yeah, meth is on the list. They come with these covers just as stock, so it's just a case of uncutting that and letting some air flow through to the intake as well. So
fair play. Obviously stock wheels, stock brakes completely at the moment, or
pretty much stock wheels.
Bit of a sleeper actually, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess you could say. I mean, if you took all the sort of Maxton kit off, then
true. But then we've got the nice chunky R888Rs on the back. I did actually try and get a set of these for my M140i when I was doing it, but I couldn't find any, so I was a bit surprised to see.
Yeah, so these are slightly oversized. I mean, I've tried to get 4.5, but there's none in the country when I ordered it. So there was like a 60-day waiting list.
Oh, crikey.
I got them for tracktires.com, and it was so helpful, and he got me some 55s, which are slightly oversized, but they're decent anyway. So.
Different back box as well?
Yeah, so the exhaust done by Fast Road Conversions down in Ashford, so it's like, it's had a box mod and custom tips as well. Nothing too major, to be fair. I mean, I'll probably get a 3.5-inch system all the way through, but
and a couple badges on the back. On the list, Pure Turbo badge, Pinnacle Tuning as well?
Yeah, shout out to Pinnacle Tuning, Craig as well, being a massive help. He's done everything with the build.
Awesome stuff. But yeah, mate, this is going to be lively. I mean, the rain is falling now.
Yeah, I know. You might get a bit scary.
Very much so. But I think if that is pretty much everything, let's get it started up and go have some fun.
It's a bit scary on these tires, isn't it?
I'm just like in the back of my mind like, yeah, we've got our triple eights, we've got our triple eights. Please grip. It actually grips pretty well though, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Look at it going like that. Oh mate, fair play.
Yeah. It's a lot of fun, mate. It's a lot of fun.
Mate, you can't go wrong with them.
No.
You can't go wrong with them. I mean, this interior is all very familiar for me from obviously my old M140.
Yeah.
It brings back good memories, good memories.
Yeah.
But I think one quite key ingredient to the power we're making, which I think we might have forgot to mention, was the fuel pump. So you're running the Dodge Stage 2?
Yeah, it's Dodge Stage 2, yeah. As you say earlier, I was originally going to get the TEU because it's kind of limiting, isn't it? So
yeah, exactly, yeah.
I'd rather just spend a bit extra and get the...
Yeah, so then you're all done. Because fueling is what holds back cars, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
You want open diff?
I am on open diff.
I was going to say, that's not a limited slip diff.
No. That is another thing I've got to do, but... Yeah.
Yeah, that's bloody fast, actually.
I mean, yeah, it's on E30 at the moment, I think.
Yeah. So it's obviously switchable via the flex fuel.
Yeah, literally, it's just a case of pouring the ethanol in. And then,
I wish I did that to mine, you know.
Yeah.
It was a pain. I had a switchable map to do that. But
that's what I had originally, but I never used it because I was just like, so much effort. So.
Yeah, exactly. So what does this run on just normal pump fuel?
It's about 530, 540.
Okay.
So I got went to Santa Pod like 3 weeks ago and I got 11.8. So
nice.
that was enough to be the fastest stop block.
Oh, so it's all
current
like, pretty
in the
fresh
UK,
to get that record.
Yeah.
Wow, fair play. And obviously there's plenty of plans in place to go further.
So it's second in the UK at the moment.
Yeah.
It's
nice.
Alfie or M55 weapon.
Yeah.
He's currently first in the UK, but he's been to Tom Wrigley, isn't he? So.
He has, yeah. I hate to tell you that might be on the channel soon. Rain is falling, which is not good.
No.
Not good.
It's more fun, but not good.
Well, if you had a limited slip, it would be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
No, fair
it's
play.
more just scary than fun.
Yeah. You might be able to notice, I don't know if you will from this angle actually, you've got like pure race fuel in the back. Pure ethanol. Yeah. You just got to keep it with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're on a quarter.
It's a bit of a daily driver at the moment, yeah.
Love that.
So
that's what they're built for.
Yeah, now I've got ethanol running, it's just like, it's more like, I'm building it for like a drag kind of car rather than.
Yeah. You got any plans, do you reckon, for the interior? Like strip some weight out of it? You're going to keep it full weight?
I mean, the only thing I can really do now is seats, to be fair.
Yeah.
I've taken the rear seats out and all that.
Yeah.
But
I suppose if you're still using it a lot, then it kind of takes some of the drivability out of it.
It is more useful because I can just like chuck bags in. And
there is actually more space down
there.
Yeah,
exactly. Yeah. Just can't transport any passengers or anything.
Yeah, well, that's not important. That's
exactly. It's not what the car's for. Yeah.
Gearbox map as well, has that been done?
Yeah, so Phantom Tuning down in Kent, they did my gearbox map for me when I went to stage 1. It's XHP stage 3.
Yeah.
And mate, that, like, I'm sure you found, it just changes the car completely.
Absolutely transformed it. I actually had the stage 2 put on before I had the gearbox map.
Oh really?
So I didn't actually realise at the time that you could do that. But when I had that done, it was night and day. Yeah. Absolutely night and day. This weather is getting quite bad.
It is awful. To be fair, I'm glad we started when we did.
Yeah, if we were stood outside now talking about so it's got this turbo on it.
Yeah. Tipping it down.
This is like the worst weather possible.
Oh mate.
It was all right like 10 minutes ago, but yeah, I mean, to be fair, it's a proper bit of kit.
Yeah.
And you're still so fresh in your ownership as well. Like
I know. I'm still sort of getting used to it, really.
Yeah.
But
it is nice to see some big build M135i's in the UK now.
Yeah, I know. Not many people have done them, or if they do, it's just being sort of, I think, like stage 2 max, really.
Yeah.
Like, you see a lot of those, but
because there's some more supporting mods which you need to do for like health of the engine and stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
Compared to like a B58.
Yeah.
But yeah, most people do kind of gravitate to that. I mean, That's what I did.
Yeah.
But either way, you can't go wrong with it.
I mean, it sounds awesome. I mean, the exhaust I've got in it, it's not anything, you know, to write home about, but I didn't really want something that was like so in your face kind of thing.
Yeah,
so.
or Vauxhall v Vauxhall. Astra versus Corsa.
See ya.
To be fair, when it does hook up...
Oh mate, it's alright. I mean, LSD is needed. I would be so much better, but yeah, it's not terrible.
It's not something you can do all at the same time. You do it gradually and see where it takes you.
I mean, I'm going to get so much hate for not doing LSD sooner than when I have.
Don't worry, there's been some big power cars without LSDs on the channel, but it would make a huge difference. Such a nice tone in these as well.
Yeah, it's alright. I really wouldn't want it anymore, to be fair.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, when I got it, I wanted to go like full ASPO, but do you know what I mean?
Got to be done though.
It's going to sound like more ASPO when I get the 3.5-inch exhaust stuff.
True, yeah. And you can hear the road noise of the 888s as well.
Oh mate, going on the motorway is so loud.
But it's
so
cool.
Loud. It is cool,
it's
yeah.
race car, isn't it?
Yeah.
So cool. But mate, thank you so much for coming down.
No worries,
especially
mate.
on a day like today, and getting the car on the channel. It's yeah, one hell of a thing. And we'll have to maybe get a video of it done at Pod sometime.
Yeah, 100%, mate.
Never done a video at Pod, so maybe that can happen. But of course, if you do want to learn more about the build, there's plenty going on. That's for sure. Then, of course, I will leave Ant's Instagram link down in the description down below. But as the weather is getting, well, there's sun over there, but it's still raining pretty heavy. We're going to wrap it up here. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please do make sure you leave a like and make sure to subscribe for all the adventures.